So guys, story time tayo. I woke up today and guess what? Nakita ko tong amber shattered and broken in pieces. So feeling ko kasi nasanggi siya ng pusa ko. So unfortunately, parang nabasag na tong big amber piece ko na to. So it's a big one. Ganito yan, buo. And if you've seen me yung booth ko sa mga tarot ko and gano'n, normally I bring this along and naka-display to. And unfortunately, nabasag siya. Okay. I think it's a good chance for us to talk about this kasi marami nagtatanong, ano bang dapat ginagawa kapag yung crystals nababasag or nasisira? So, okay, two things. You have to ask yourself, what kind of a crystal person are you? Number one, if you're using your crystals for healing or for the purpose of protection, manifestation, for its metaphysical benefits, then I would recommend na kapag nabasag yung crystals mo, let it go from your life na. So, there are different ways on how you can do that. Number one, yung ibang ginagawa nila is to put it back onto the earth. Like, for example, ibabaon nila sa lupa too. Because crystals, they come from the earth. So, you put it back on the earth para mabalik na yung energy nila. The reason kasi why these crystals break is because tapos na yung trabaho nila or they've already done their job. So, it's time for them to move on and then you get a different piece na para makuha nyo ulit yung benefits, okay? Pero if you're the second type, yung tipong you're just collecting crystals, it's up to you. I personally do not recommend gluing it back together kasi nag-iiba yung itsura niya. So, as you can see here, nagkakaroon na siya ng white marks like that because of how it was shattered into pieces. Oh, this is real amber ha. Malaking piece talaga siya. I don't recommend putting it that. So my plan here is that me and my partner, we're gonna be actually polishing it into smaller pieces and maybe we can turn it into a pendant because we really, really like this piece. This piece is from Indonesia pa. So I really like it. I don't use it for its metaphysical properties. Alam ko ang properties ng amber, it's very, very good for those who are doing tarot, ganon. Pero I'm not using it for that purpose. I really like it because it's for display for me. So kaya ang gagawin namin dito, we're gonna turn this into nice pieces. And who knows? Maybe it becomes a wearable piece and maybe we can share it with more people para they can use it for other purposes. So again, at the end of the day, remind ko lang, your crystal experience is entirely up to you. We can only guide you as to ano yung pwede mong gawin dyan, pero it's still your choice kung paano on how you can manifest them the way that you want them to work. Okay? Yun lang. Have a great day. Bye!